I have a tip for keeping that foil down with your wrapping paper nails. So use this foil gel. I'll just tell you what I'm using. I'm using Luxa's foil gel. All of these things can be found in the link in my bio, by the way, on Instagram. Put it on, cure it. Then this transfer foil, it's also on my link on my Instagram. I love it. It's fun. Try to cover most of the nail in different sections and then push it down if any little parts are sticking up. Then grab your luminary. I'm going to try this. It helps it stay better. Mix the red in, create your glass, and then lay this liberally over the top of your foil. Here's why sometimes the foil works its way through where people can peel it, and this will help keep it more capped in. And then don't forget to cap your edges because the foil is down on the edge, and cure it. And then after you do all this, you will top coat and cap the edge as well. And it should all stay tighter for you. Thanks for watching. I hope this is helpful.